Hello, my friends. Welcome. Jean Kanicki here. Welcome to my world of color and creativity. In this video, I'm opening the doors to share a collection of my favorite acrylic work. Each one with its own story, its own energy, and its own soul. So let's get started. This one here it's a gorgeous bird of paradise that I painted, and it's my husband's favorite painting. So I did the matting on it, as you can see, and it's ready to be framed. So we're gonna set this one aside. And here's the matting that I use. Now, I not only paint my paintings, I do the matting myself, I cut the mats myself, and I frame them myself. So let's put this one aside. And I have this frame here that I'd like to display something for you. Now, I have this painting that I did, and when it's not framed, it really doesn't look like much. So I want to take a moment and put it in a frame and show you how beautiful it looks once it's framed. So let's do this. Okay, I'm just gonna hold it back here so you can see what it looks like. See, putting it in the frame makes the world of difference. Okay, we're gonna set that aside over here. This is gonna be a work in progress because I have so many paintings. So I'm gonna be doing several videos to display my paintings. Now, here's another one that I've done, and as you can see, I sign all my paintings. This one is kind of an ocean scene with palm trees, which is very inviting. Okay, we're gonna put that one over here. Oh, and look, we have another palm tree. I think I like palm trees, see? There. I could put this one in the frame. Maybe I'll do another framing and show you in the end. Or maybe I'll just put this one in the frame. Let's see here. I'll put another one in the frame. Okay, there it is. See, the frame makes the world of difference when you do these paintings. All right, put that aside. We did this one. This one, I haven't a clue what I was thinking when I did it. This is some crazy clouds. Okay, we're not gonna put this one in the frame. This is some beautiful water lilies at night. If you haven't noticed by now, I love color. My life is colorful. So this is some wild roses. Set that aside. This is the ocean with some nice looking clouds, I think. Okay. These are some mountainous regions of I don't know where. And this is crazy because I was practicing. There's someone sitting at the beach. Okay. This is just a waterfall. When I get in a zone, I just paint. This is a still painting that I did. And as you can see, there's half of a lemon and a red pepper and green pepper and some lettuce. This isn't quite finished, but it was very, very difficult to do this. So, there. Here's another one. Just something I saw and decided to paint it. That's a still painting. Oh, and look at my fish. Hey, fishy things, check it out. That's a cute fish. That's not the one that you eat. Here's one of the ocean. Yes, I do like color. Check it out. Just a garden. This is a practice one. I was practicing to do facial paintings. Hey, Star, I'll be painting you next. Here's just some beautiful trees. And see, I was practicing to paint flowers on this side. Okay. Here's another one. I think this one is pretty serene. The guy overlooking his farm, just thinking, what am I gonna do? He's lost in thought. Here's a gorgeous flower that I painted. Now this one, I think I'll put in the frame so you get a better vision of what it looks like. Okay, see, the frame makes the world of difference. I think that's pretty nice. All right, let's put these aside. This is just a quickie of the ocean. Here's another one. These are Florida clouds. Okay. Here's some more palm trees. Here is one of my Princess Isabella that I painted. I'm not quite finished with it, but I wanted to show you. There you go. Okay, that's for episode 1. Wanted to say thank you for watching and taking this journey through my art. If one of these paintings spoke to you, leave a comment and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Share the joy of color. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.